Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be going over how to use Adobe Sign and Fill signatures. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our Gmail account because I've already sent out an email requesting a signature. And so as you see right here, there's an email that says signatures requested on sampleinvoice.pdf. So you click on that and it'll bring you to the email, which then says sample invoice PDF review and sign. So we're going to click review and sign, and it'll open a tab, and it'll bring you to a page which has a sample invoice PDF. And right here it says to add the signature. Click here to sign. We'll go ahead and click there, and it's using a saved signature that I already used before. But if we wanted to, we could change that to a typed signature, John Doe, or we can sign a new signature by hitting clear and then just writing out our name, John Doe. Then you hit apply, and there you have it. We've signed the document, and the next thing we need to do is we click to sign. It processes the document and says you're all set. You finished signing the sample invoice PDF, and they'll send the agreements to all parties. So there you have it. That's how you sign a document that's been sent to you on Adobe Sign. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below in the comments section. Thank you very much.